Hi, welcome to Corsair Solutions that integrate. What we have here is we're showing actually the Zcam S1. Now we have two Zcam S1s. We have one down the bottom here, and we have actually one up the top here. Now what the Zcam S1 is, it's a 360-degree live streaming stitching camera. So what we can do, we have 4 sensors on here. Each sensor is a 4K P25. You'll see we've got a unit over here. We've got 4 SD cards in the unit, and we have a battery pack here. So we can actually go out and we can record onto those SD cards. The battery pack lasts about 2 hours, and when we come back, it comes with all the software for live streaming and also saving and doing for post stitching. So we can do up to a live 4K stream, and we can do anywhere up to a 6K resolution post stitch. And it all comes with the software, making it very, very easy. So we're showing the Zcam controller preview here at the moment. We also have an iPad up here, which we can actually do a live preview stitch of the one of the Zcams without a computer. But I'll show you how literally easy it is to do. So it's fantastic for schools, the staging market, because it can stream straight to Facebook or an RTMP location. So you'll see the basic screen here. This is coming a preview of the camera we have mounted up here, and I'm using the Zcam controller. So we have all our settings here. We have our resolution settings, our video system. We have record modes such as normal. We can do snap, and we can do time lapse. We recently uploaded one of the clips in the US and on time lapse, and it looked absolutely fantastic. It was done in 6K. But we've also got adjustments of each of the eyes, so we can adjust the white balance and exposure if you want to do that. But where the magic really comes into this is with the WonderLive. So we can load the WonderLive, and it has an auto adaptation file which automatically stitches it together, and it does a fantastic job of this. So let's say we set the resolution at 4K. We'll do just a preview here, but I can go out to Facebook, or I can go to Weibo or a stream URL. So that stream URL could be locally onto a Wowser system for multicasting through a university, or it could be out to an external location, say YouTube, for example. Facebook supports 4K streaming as well. So I'll go a preview at the moment with 3840 by 1920. We can go out either equirectangular or cube map, for those who knows what that means. So we'll just leave it in equirectangular at the moment, and we can go out to a live preview at the moment, which I'll just show you. So this will just connect onto the Zcam S1. And there we have it. We have a preview of a live stitch that's actually happening from the Integrate floor, as you see there. Now I can quite easily do the same going direct to Facebook now and pump that out at 4K or 2K or 3K. So we'll just stop that there. And I suppose the last part of this is the Wonder Stitch. So we can save onto the SD cards by hitting the record button, and we can bring it into. Here's one we recorded a short while ago. I can bring it into Wonder Stitch. I can say, do a stitch preview of the 4 eyes, and then we can set our output resolution. So we'll go out of here at, say, 6K resolution. We'll set that for GPU, CUDA acceleration, optical flow. We'll keep HDR and brightness adjustment on. And so what this is going to do is this actually is going to do an output at 6000 by 3000. So I'll start that off, and it will go through the process, and using our Titan X we have in here, it will go through and it will do that processing. So you can see it going there, and I'll show you one I prepared earlier. And what that will come out like is it will come out as such. So that's an upside down one. So that's actually a live stitch video, and you'll see there that that's actually 6000 by 3010. Now that can also be then injected with what's called 360 metadata, and that can be uploaded. So here's one from Federation Square in Melbourne, and I shot just last week, and that's actually stitched it in the Wonder Stitch. Now if I was to upload that, that would look to YouTube or YouTube, or we upload it to Vimeo or any of those platforms. This is how it will look in that zoomed in mode. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell on the S1. One thing I will say that we're hoping to show in about 3 weeks' time is Zcam are launching the V1 Pro and are doing the world's first live 360 8K stereoscopic stitching and streaming. So we hope to show that in Australia very, very soon, and we're quite excited about that. If you want to know more information about what we're showing here, come to www.corsairsolutions.com.au. Thank you.